Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, my name is Alisha and today I'm going to show you how to make some Easter Rocky Road. The first thing you want to do is melt together your butter, dark chocolate and golden syrup. Then in a separate mixing bowl I have some Easter chocolate. I went for mini eggs, maltesers and galaxy eggs. Then I've got some mini marshmallows in here and some digestive biscuits. Give it all a bit of a mix through so everything is nice and even, and then you can pour in your chocolate mixture. Stir it all together, making sure everything is nice and coated. Then you can pop it in an 8x8 inch tin. Spread it out and then top with some more Easter chocolate because you can't have enough chocolate, and pop it in the fridge for a few hours to set. Once they are set, you can cut them up and they are ready to eat. I really hope you like this recipe and you like this video. If you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on Thursday for another Easter recipe. I think it's caramel egg brownies, which were delicious. You want to tune in for that one, trust me. Thanks for watching, bye!